see if you're interested today. Doing a flip. No, I'm going to throw my phone in the air so like hit that right there or whatever. Anyway, let's just think. Alright, let's go. And get in a fight real fast. Getting high. Really high. Oh gosh. Also, if you guys want to see the view, yeah, it will be better. So after, when it was really dark, all lights will be on. It's awesome. Also, over there, the gates here on Nugget Planetarius. Yeah, over there, downtown Reno. Also, I live in I live in Reno Sparks, Nevada. So anyway, let's do this thing. Alright, so and wow, I didn't put my phone up. So try that again. Get 3 tries at this. I didn't get it. Try one more time and I'm done. So let's do this thing. And boom! I did it! So yeah, I am so tired right now. And part of my plans today was it's only like my 4th video about to be uploaded, but already I'm doing Draw My Life already. I would have a whiteboard and marker and everything I need. So yeah. Subscribe. I only have 1 subscriber, which I subscribed on my iPad. So, oh yeah, and my name is not Therese. Okay. It's my mom's email. When I did her email, yeah, it went to 331 Therese, which I like better. Which is why I use the old one, because I thought it would be better. Yeah, so why am I even randomly talking on my scooter? That's going to be dangerous. And I'm only holding on with with my left hand on it. Get up here! And I'm gonna think a format. 3, 2,